Hello students, today we are going to learn the second case, that is if a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2, means that ratio a1 upon a2 and b1 upon b2 if not equal, then how to solve that type of problem. There is a special logical flow or the special steps we have to perform for solving this type of problem. In this case, to reduce the equation 1 to homogeneous form, we substitute x is equal to capital X plus h and y is equal to capital Y plus k, where h and k are the constant to be determined, and also small dx is equal to capital Dx and small dy is equal to capital Dy. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to capital Dy by dx, and then after that, then equation 1 becomes a1x plus b1y plus a1h plus b1k plus c1 upon a2x plus b2y plus a2h plus b2k plus c2. Now choose the h and k such that the equation will become the homogeneous in x and y. That is a1h plus b1k plus c1 equal to 0 and a2h plus b2k plus c2 is equal to 0. Then we get dy by dx is equal to a1x plus b2y, which is the homogeneous equation in x and y. Then putting y is equal to vx, and therefore dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx, and finally reduces to variable separable form. This is the standard procedure for solving this type of problem, that is case 2 problem. Now let us solve some example on this type. Okay. Now come to example number 3, that is y minus 2x dx plus two y minus 3x plus 1 into dy is equal to 0. Here the case 2, that is a1 upon a2 is not equal to b1 upon b2. The first write down the equation into dy by dx form. What is the dy by dx form? Here minus 2x become the plus 2x and plus y become the minus y, because it goes the RHS side, and after that this denominator as it is, that is 2y minus 3x plus 1. Okay, the given equation is that y minus 2x dx plus 2y minus 3x plus 1 dy is equal to 0, and after that we write this equation in the form of dy by dx, that is by taking all the in the RHS side, 2x minus y upon 2x upon 2y minus 3x plus 1. Okay, put x is equal to capital X plus h and y is equal to capital Y plus k. Therefore, differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to capital Dy by dx. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 2 into bracket x plus h. Wherever we see the x, this x, instead of x put x plus h, instead of y put y plus k. Okay. Here is the minus y, therefore the sign changes, minus y minus k, and in the denominator also 2 into y plus k minus 3 into x plus h plus 1. After simplifying we get dy by dx is equal to 2x plus 2h minus y minus k upon 2y plus 2k minus 3k minus 3x minus 3h plus 1. After simplifying 2x minus y, taking all the terms at one side, 2x, this minus y as it is, plus this 2h as it is, minus k, we are simply rearranging the terms. This minus 3x, xx terms below one another, and then plus 2y, plus as it is signed, minus 3h plus 2k plus 1. Okay. Now 2h minus 2h minus k is equal to 0. Here h is equal to minus 1, and minus 3h plus 2k plus 1 is equal to 0. Here k is equal to minus 2. Therefore, dy by dx is equal to 2x minus y upon minus 3x plus 2y. Therefore, dividing both sides, dividing throughout the equation with x. Okay, the coefficient of 2 is x. We don't want this x, then divide it through the whole equation. Then 2 upon x minus y upon x. Here again minus 3 upon x get cancelled, and minus 3 plus 2y upon x. Then put y is equal to x into v. Differentiating with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to x into dv by dx plus v. Therefore, putting what is the value of dy by dx, that is x into dv by dx plus v. Putting this value in the here, and 2 minus y upon x, we are substituting y upon x is equal to v. Therefore, 2 minus v upon minus 3 plus 2v. Now this is the variable separable form. Therefore, x into dv by dx is equal to 2 minus v upon minus 3 plus 2v minus v, which is equal to 2 minus v plus 3v. After this, cross multiplying. Okay, simply cross multiply this. Minus v multiply by minus 3 is the plus 3, and minus v multiply by plus 2 is the minus 2v square upon minus 3 plus 2v, which is equal to 2 plus 2v minus 2v square upon minus 3 plus 2v square plus 2v, which is equal to minus 3 minus 3 minus 2v upon v square minus v minus 1 dv is equal to minus 2 into dx upon x. After that, therefore integration of 2v minus 1 minus 2 upon v square minus v minus 1 dv, that can be written as 2v minus 1 integration of 2v minus 1 into upon v square minus v minus 1 dv minus 2 into integration of 1 upon v square minus v minus 1 dv. Now consider this only this first type of example, that is 2v minus 1 upon v square minus v minus 1. Here we apply or use the formula integration of f dash dx upon fx dx is equal to log of fx. Therefore, integration of 2v minus 1 upon v square minus v minus 1 dx is equal to log of v square minus v minus 1. Now consider 2 into integral of dv upon v square minus v minus 1, okay, which is equal to 2 into dv upon v minus 1 by 2 bracket square minus 1 minus 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. How we can take this? Take the half of last term. Half of last term, what is the last term is 1. Take half of that 1 is the 1 half and minus it. If we minus it and then subtract the square of that term, okay, minus 1 is as it is, the minus 1 as it is, and here we added here we taken the minus 1 by 2, that's why we subtract the minus 1 by 2. This is the standard formula, okay, how to solve this type of equation. Then we get 2 into integration of dv upon v minus 1 by 2 bracket square minus 1 minus 1 by 4. Therefore, this come in the form of 2 integration of dv upon v minus 1 by 2 minus of 1 by 4 minus 1 minus 4 upon 4, okay, which is equal to 2 integration of dv upon v minus 1 by 2 bracket square minus of minus root 5 upon 2 whole bracket square. Which is of the type integration of dx upon x square minus a square is equal to 1 upon 2a log of x minus a upon x plus a, which is equal to 2 integration of dv upon v minus 1 by 2 bracket square minus root 5 upon 2 bracket square, which is equal to 2 into 1 by 2 root 5 by 2 log of v minus 1 by 2 minus root 5 by 2 upon v minus 1 by 2 plus root 5 upon 2 plus 2 into log x is equal to log of c. Therefore, log of v square minus v minus 1 minus of 2 into 1 upon 2 into bracket root 5 upon 2. Therefore, log of v minus 1 by 2 minus root 5 by 2 upon v minus 1 by 2 plus root 5 by 2 plus log of plus 2 log of x, okay, which is equal to log x, because this log get cancel, and after that 2 log x, okay. Then therefore v square minus v minus 1 into x square into 2v minus 1 plus root 5 upon 2v minus 1 minus root 5 raised to 2 by root 5. Therefore y square, put the values, v square is the y square minus yx minus x minus this x square, and then multiply this x square, we get 2y minus x into under root of 5 into x upon 2y minus x root 5 into x raised to 2 by 5 is equal to c. Here we have to just simplify the equation. Then put put capital X is equal to x plus 1, capital Y equal to y plus 2. Therefore, y plus 2 bracket square minus x plus 1 into another bracket y plus 2 is equal to x plus 1 bracket square. Therefore, after substituting the original value, we get 2y plus 4 minus x minus 1 plus root 5x plus root 5 upon 2y plus 4 minus x minus 1 minus root 5 into x minus root 5 raised to 2 upon root 5, which is equal to c. Now, we will see the next problem in the next video lecture. Okay. Thank you, students.